I kind of really grow my hair a little bit. So I now cut off more like I kind of go and keep some of it. You want to do a the video now, to take yourself now, Mr. Sure. Yeah. So, supposed to kind of follow. Hello my friends, and welcome again to our channel. As usual, please to subscribe and comment in the section below. Alright, tonight what are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about this. I hear about. Yes, my friends, natural hair. Yeah, I guess a few of you would know me know that I tend to talk about this natural hair thing. Yeah, I like natural hair. I like seeing it. And the very first time I see her, I admit to see.
You see hair before you see me?
I see everything. I see the hair. I saw the hair. So I was like, okay, natural hair. I mean, I hardly natural hair nowadays, you know. So let me see if we can approach her and see what her mindset is like, you know. And lo and behold, the mindset must have been right, because here I am still 2 years and counting. Yeah. So
what about natural hair that you like?
Natural hair in today's society, you know, it says a lot about a woman when she just decides to go down the road and wear it. The feedback I've often gotten from ladies is that, you know, it's really challenging to cater to natural hair nowadays in this busy work environment, and for the most part that's why, you know, you guys a lot of times tend to put on the wigs and the sewing. You know.
Sometimes we want a different look, so we have to change it up. Sometimes we want different colors, different style.
Yeah, we get that. But I like when you just be a natural thing, you know. Not gonna force it. By the way, have you ever try to force a natural thing on you though?
No, you can't force it on me.
But me ever try to force it on you?
Enough time you try to force it on my throat. Enough time.
People I'm gonna force it on my throat because you're big, you know, say if you take out the hair today, you look nice, though. So I tell her, I mean, it's a base, you know, so I like when they comb out a certain way, that when she have it before days to now, I try to see if I can get the natural hair thing back. Because, and you know, I'll show you now a couple pictures in the video, times when she wear her falls hair and thing and she still look hot. So it's not like saying,
in my field, I have to change up my looks.
Yes, people.
To show the people different styles, different look, and all those stuff. So,
yes, people. She's a hairdresser. So yeah, she's a hairdresser. She's been doing it for 13 years now. So
professionally, but I've been doing it since I was 9 years old.
Right. I think we're going to do a video for that, you know, our profession and how good she be and how long she do it.
And I love doing hair.
And she like the hair.
Any kind of hair, bring them come.
Right. So, you know, we're going to bring Tia in the video at some point and show you her natural hair. I met Teneisha and honestly I really like how she take care of her natural hair. You know, her daughter has a long flowing natural hair, you know, and it looks really good. And her mommy, I guess being a hairdresser, kind of give some added touch to her daughter here being that tall and everything. And I like sometimes I feel sorry for her and then she have come because of one bag of something, you know, people and she have fear. And Tia here,
it's like nothing
face,
because I love doing it. So.
I know you are Tia.
But guess what? She has to tolerate it.
Tia face makeup and thing and I said, "You're no star." But when she done, the hairstyle shot
and she feels good.
And she feels good. So I put some clips in the video and her hairstyle and how it look when her mommy do it. But yes, my friends,
so this was basically a wash and like finger twirl.
Yeah, finger twirl. I mean, I try help her, but I just left her after a while.
I just pull it together in one.
Yeah, because right now you shrink it down, sir?
Yeah, it shrink, because my hair goodness.
I'm going to show you some picture of the long hair. I like it, you know, but my sister shrink me and say, Jesus Christ, you will hear shrink a good on my guy. But I guess a part of the thing. Like, yeah, part of the thing still. Like, still long. Still long. So, Tia! They're on TikTok, you know. Come here!
Please don't show it in my video.
Yeah, I'm going to show it to her here. But she not time for old people, you know. She ain't not fear her own little world, but when I will call her, she have to come. Come here, Tia, down in there. Come here, more and she let you come. Me no, let's come here quickly and you can see. Come quickly.
Drop them in ponytail.
Come, pull in. Alright, come, yeah, you get to sleep. You get extra hours in the morning. Alright.
So this is all her hair. It shrink up too, you know, naturally after a while it shrinks.
Yeah, as I say, her mommy know her thing, yeah. You know, she really put in the work and you can see the result, guys. So, you know, if you really have your kids and you want them hair get done properly, find Teneisha Murphy. She knows how to deal with the thing. She knows what to do. But,
yes, she look like me. She look like me?
Yeah, she look like you. Later, I kind of really grow my hair a little bit. So I now cut off more like I kind of go and keep some of it. You want to do it to the video now, you know, take yourself down the star. Sure. Yeah. So, supposed to call the barber, but I don't look too bushy still.
I can do it for you.
Babes, every time you tell me say you want to do me hair, you know, and I don't know. When you wash it, I want to wash it now. Then what do you say you go wash the hair and now you're not washing?
I have to make an appointment.
Alright, Sunday coming, I want me hair get washed. These and thanks.
So Sunday at 8 a.m. I will wash your hair. Alright?
Yeah, so even nowadays when you go to a lot of business places, you see that, you know, females are going back to the natural look. And you know, I commend you guys, I applaud you guys. It's a good look. I know it's a challenging task, but it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. And I like the fact that you guys are trying to stay, you know, go back to the roots. Because believe it or not, a lot of men do like natural hair. They may not say it because for the most part, you guys like to have your very costly hair. Your $50,000 hair. How much income again? Enough money, right?
Yeah.
50 grand, 60 grand, 40 grand.
Brazilian, Peruvian.
Yeah. And I think some women like to just planting and say, yo, me having my day here, you know. So I think that
Yeah,
cycle.
it's a good feeling sometimes, though.
Yeah. So I think, yeah. So that cycle will go on. You know, will go on. But at the end of the day, we accept you guys
I
for what
love
you are.
them. I wanna feel like wearing them and wear
Yeah,
them.
she will to feel like true that.
You can't stop.
And you can't stop her because she's a boss. Yeah. So, you know, we like it. So guys, thanks for tuning into our channel again. And please remember to subscribe.
Leave
like,
a comment. We love reading your comments.
and comment, of course.
Share with a friend. Invite a friend.
If there's anything that you'd want us guys to talk about,
Put it in the comment below.
Yeah. Have a good night, or a good morning, or a good evening, whatever it is, guys. Take care.